Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Superplumes Inside Earth. So what do we see here? Well, here we see an animation and a video that just runs a few seconds, and I'll put it on repeat in just a minute when I get it started. And what it looks at is the interior of Earth, what we could see inside beneath the surface. And we have to remember, normally when we look at Earth, we're used to seeing the surface. That's all we know. So trying to figure out what's going on inside is very difficult. Yes, we can dig down a certain distance, but it's only a tiny fraction of the way to the center of Earth. We might dig down a few miles, but it is thousands of miles to Earth's core. So we have to use other methods to be able to infer what Earth looks like inside. And one of the things that we do is use earthquakes. Earthquakes occur all the time, all over Earth, and their waves will travel through the interior, and how those waves travel from one side of Earth to the other tells us what they had to pass through. They can tell us about the densities and the compositions, what kind of materials must be there. So we learn various things about Earth's interior. Now, if we go ahead and watch the video, what we're seeing are what are called superplumes around the sides of Earth. And you can see the central section of Earth there and those plumes that kind of stick out to either side. What are they? Well, that's actually a really good question. There's a debate about it right now, and there are two primary ideas that have been put forth. One is that these date back to the origin of Earth's moon. Earth's moon is believed to have been formed when a Mars-sized object crashed into Earth nearly 4.5 billion years ago, when Earth and the rest of the objects in the solar system were forming. This disrupted Earth at the time, the very early Earth, and threw material that then became our moon. So it's thought is that this could be some debris that is left over from that collision that occurred 4.5 billion years ago. Now, one other competing thought is that it is old tectonic plates. So our surface of our planet is covered in plates which move, and that gives us things like earthquakes and volcanic activity. But those plates do push down below one another, so it's quite possible that old plates could have sunk down way below Earth's surface, and still their remnants could be present there, and they could last for billions of years. So likely, both models say that this is something billions of years old, not something brand new, and that ties into the early history of Earth, whether that be old tectonic plates or the shattering impact of the object that helped form our moon, or something completely different. We don't know yet. So that was our picture of the day, titled Superplumes Inside Earth. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Orionic Volcano. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.